Yeah, look what my buddy Zach from Fastenal brought over. Now Zach, my buddy that brought this over, already knows that these are not top of the line subs. We get it, we know. They're like $12 each, 13 bucks each shipped to your door. First thing he wants to do is see if it sounds any good, first of all. It's mainly for the theme of it. He wants to see if it sounds good, and if it does, cool. If not, we're gonna flip these woofers over, and we're gonna smoke them straight onto those little pipes right there. And then replace these with something much better. So about 5:30 this morning, he drops this thing off and asks me if I could hook it up to my test bench. Well, of course I can. Let's do it. A little Sound Digital 3300.1. First thing I want to do real quick is throw an SMD IMSG on these things. Let's see what this box is even tuned to. All right, now that I got the spark plugs on it, let's see what it's actually tuned to. Looks like she's tuned to about 40 hertz. Well, since it looks like 0.8 is our lowest number and the frequency this box is tuned to, I think it's safe to hook up to that amp. It's a 1 ohm stable amp. Usually 0.8 isn't too bad. So I say we take a listen, see what happens. Give me that flashlight, please. Let's turn it up just a little bit. Hey, it actually doesn't sound half bad. I mean, I'm not able to turn it up too loud because I don't know what all it can handle just yet, and I'm not ready to break them. It's also very hard to get the flashlight in there so you can see the amount of flex that these things are putting out. So I think the next best thing to do is to put it on the AMM1, see how much power they're getting right now, just for the heck of it. And well, Zach instructed me to let you guys know, if I get enough likes and enough shares on this box right here, we'll flip these 6.5s around and we'll put a hurting on them. We want to send smoke out of the headers. So you know what to do. with ease. Let's do that again. You guys see that? 3,500 watts. I don't know how long I want to do this for because I'm... Oh, sorry, Zach. Oh no, dude. Oh shit. Shit. Damn. Sorry, dude. I don't know if they're all seized. We seized a piston. Did you see that? Oh, it smells good in here. Ooh. Sorry.
It was dumping some smoke out of the pipes though.
Was it?
Yeah.
Shit. Whoops. Yeah, I saw 3,500 watts on there though before it went. Are any of them still good?
That front one's moving. Oh, it stinks bad.
Are you coming out of the ports? Whoops, sorry, Zach. Oh well, man. Hey, some of them probably survived. All right, Brandon. I think we lost a couple pistons, man. Shit. Hey, we're gonna have to put new pistons in, a couple new pistons, and do this again. But of course, like I said, he's gonna put much better 6.5s in here and then really do it. We're just playing around, seeing how it'll do, how it'll act.
What's going on, Brandon?
What up, dude?
Hey, we got you on speakerphone real quick.
Okay.
Hey, a couple things. Just out of curiosity, what did you think this box was tuned to?
Let me look at my notes. Hold on a second.
You don't remember?
Come on, you built
No,
it.
I don't.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Hurry up. I'm filming you. Hurry.
Yeah, you're on film.
Oh, I think it's 36 hertz. I think is what I had it at.
Okay. Well, you're a little off, but not too bad. It's tuned to 40 hertz, so.
Okay.
Hey, I got good news and bad news.
Okay.
And you're being
Give me the
filmed.
bad news first.
Huh?
Give me the bad news first.
All right. Well, the bad news is that we lost a couple cylinders.
Okay.
Sorry, man. The good news
I only have one backup cylinder.
Okay, well, we'll have to get you another one. We might have lost like 2 or 3. I don't know. We haven't figured it out yet. We got to pull the motor apart and find out. But
Okay.
she saw a hefty 3,500 watts before it happened.
What are they rated? They're rated for 500, right? That's what Lanzar says.
Well, they say 600 on
mats.
them.
600?
Not that I would ever in my life put 600 watts on those speakers. But all right, cool. Well, we lost a couple cylinders, but no big deal. I wanted you to be here when the smoke happened, but we'll replace those and we'll flip them around and make more smoke.
There you go.
But I did get some of it on film. This one feels crackly. This one feels good. This one feels good. They all feel good. Maybe we lost just one. That one feels a little crackly. Oh, this one's definitely gone. Unplug the spark plug wire. All right, bud. Yeah, this one's definitely gone. Gone, I tell you. Oh yeah. So this one is not burned up, but it's broken. If it was re-glued, it would probably still work. Probably can't see that, but yeah, it's gone. All right, 2 casualties. I think these other ones are good. Let's try them. This one's done. This one's definitely done.
There's another cylinder down, dude.
Well, Aw.
Dude. How many pistons are we down?
We're down.
No.
Sorry, Zach. We lost 4 pistons. We'll fix them though. All right, so I believe these 2 are still good. Only one thing left to do when you got a bad speaker, make it worse. So let's put a lot of power on these. We can, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get both that, like turn this way, like. Like, go what? 20 hertz? Want to go put the 20 hertz decimal on them? They're both gone?
Oh.
Oh, smoke. All right, there you have it. That's about that for today. Check out Zach's Instagram page. He always posts pictures of his little projects that he does. And of course, we're gonna do some more fun stuff with this box. We got the test bench right here. We can do whatever we want. Zach already knows, so don't have to break the news to him when he comes over. We're out.